Hey y'all, today we will be installing this beautiful burgundy, I think it's called a double J something. I don't know the color specifics, but this used to be a bang wig and I cut the bang because it just didn't suit me. So yeah, I think I kind of actually like it like this. I put a couple of layers in it, but yeah. And yeah, if you want to see how I install this hair, keep on watching. The makeup, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I don't know, but yeah, if you like the video, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. I don't know, girl. Do whatever your little heart tells you to. But yeah, well, y'all know the drill.
Y'all remember that red wig that I had with the bang? So I had this great idea to cut the bang because I was like, bangs do not suit me. Cut the bang, wash the hair, curl the hair. Look at how pretty she looks. Yo, I put this hair on and then I realized that I cut it so much, there's not enough lace to fit on the sides. Look at my face. I am flabbergasted and I need to be somewhere. So I'm just like, you know what? I'm gonna wing it. I'm gonna make this work. So I start off by cleaning off my forehead with some rubbing alcohol. And ever since I started doing this, guys, my wigs don't be moving. They be stuck. Okay? And then I go in with the purple glamour spray. I think I did like 2 or 3 layers because it's hot. I needed it. And then made sure they dry up. Then when it was tacky, I started off putting it on the middle of my forehead first. And then I tried to put it on the sides, pulling it as much as I can. And then what I did also was take the glamour spray and then spray it on the sides just for like extra support. And then I pulled the hair that was on the ear tabs and laid it down, putting my Scarlet Hill melting band on it. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a middle part with baby hairs. I can't go wrong. Nobody will notice what's going on the sides. I separated the baby hairs, put on some wax stick, and baby, this was stressing me out so much. I needed a drink, okay? And also say hello to my new hot comb. Yes, she gets very hot, okay? She gets, look at it. Ooh, yeah. That's a hot comb, all right? That is a hot comb, love. And then I proceeded to do my little middle part, put some wax on the middle part also, and then I proceeded to hot comb it down because I needed this girl to be flat. Okay, I needed her to be so flat. And then I went on again, flattening her out. Cut some baby hairs. I wanted them to be kind of dramatic because look at the sides. Yo, guys, this hair, I eat. And then I took that what XY original melting spray. I love it so much. And then I brushed out the curls. The curls actually looked really nice. I just wish I had put layers in it, but maybe at some point I will if I do decide to wear this hair again. I take it out and you see that red mark? That's like where there used to be like the knots for the bang. So I was like, oh my god, these problems are coming at me so quickly and in such a big quantity. And then I took my Elvive spray, put it on. The lighting had changed because the sun had gone down, so I had to use only like my spotlight. And yeah, I kept on finessing it until I got it to a point where I like it. Also, I put some makeup on the lace. I made sure this, like, you know that peekaboo effect when you have curls and it's just like, yeah, I did that. The hair held onto a curl pretty nicely. The only thing that sucked was the fact that it didn't fit me anymore and the knots in the front were a little too big. But other than that, I was okay. Like, from where we started with this install to where we are right now, I was like, okay. I'll take that, because at first I was just like, this is not gonna work. But now look at me, baby, a redhead. Mwah.